look at this question, so 8 over 98, is it the simplest question or no?
No.
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 So when
Not
you see something
really.
not simplest, what did you do first?
You have to simplify it.
Yeah.
Good. So when we look at everything, the first thing is always simplify it. Understand? We need to
Yes.
simplify first. Okay, so Amelia, how about you simplify it first?
So 8 divided by 2 equals 4, and 98 divided by 2 equals...
So it's 4 over 49 square root, correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
So the answer is 2 over 7.
So 2 over 7. Very good. Okay. So number K, can you do number K yourself?
Sure. The answer is 3 over 9.
Yeah. That's what I got.
对不对？先除以3，对不对？So 9 over 81, right? And you can simplify again. It's 1 over 9. Correct, Amelia? So the answer is what?
So the answer is...
1 over 3.
Oh, I got 3 over 9.
Yeah, you need to make sure you simplify it. Always simplify.
Okay.
Mhm.
Get it, Zoe?
Mhm.
This is very important, okay? Okay, so next one, 150 over 726. Okay, so simplify it, right? So you can take a look at this one. So everybody, so 726 plus together equals 15, and the top plus together equals 6. So both of them are divisible by 3, and they end up with the even number, correct, Zoe and Amelia? So I can divide it by 6, right? So 25 over 1, 2, 1. And now,
Mhm.
if you square root it, it's 5 over 11. Get it? So we have learned
Yeah.
division rule before. 对吗？
Pretty sure yes.
哎，我想把这个东西先把它下载下来，不然这个太小了。One second，我先把 Amelia 的这个下载下。嗯，
Mhm. 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 Mhm.
谁在唱歌呢？
Mhm.
所以是你在唱歌还是 Amelia 在唱歌？
I don't know.
你唱了没有？
I was
No.
silent.
Same.
等一下啊。嗯，啊，这个大很多。 this one better. Can you see it?
Yes.
Okay. 那所以Amelia，sorry，首先啊，你这个做的这个我就不喜欢啊。我给你看一下怎么做啊。If the area of the square is 144，老师问你一下，这个12哪里来的？Where did you get the 12？
Square root of 144.
对呀，那你写了没有？So first of all, you need to do 144 square root equals 12，对不对？所以 and
对啊。
centimeter. And now 12 times 4 equals 48 centimeter. So you need to have the step 1 and step 2.
Was mine okay?
Get it, Zoe? Get it, Amelia?
Mm-hmm.
The length of the rectangle is twice as long as its width. If the area of the rectangle is 162 millimeters square, what is the perimeter of the rectangle? 一样的啊。We need to make the length is equals to width, right? And length times width equals 162. So 2 width times width equals 162. So width squared equals 81. So width equals 9.
Mm-hmm.
Get it? What is a perimeter? Then 9 plus 18 times 2 equals 27 times 2 equals 54. Amelia 看到吗？完全不对哦。
Oh. Yeah, now I get it.
Yes? Okay, so Zoe, we have to have them like exactly, like very detailed,
Mm-hmm.
okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's take a look at number 3. So if a circle has an area of 25 pi feet, 那这个怎么做啊？这个也都不对啊，这写的不行的，对不对？The area, how do we calculate the area? The area equals radius times pi equals 25 pi, correct? Look at me, okay? That's a step 1. Okay, step 2. So r squared equals 25. So r equals 5.
Mm-hmm.
Correct? So what is a diameter? So diameter equals 2 times r equals 2 times 5 equals 10 feet. You have to put the unit there.
Mm-hmm.
So did you have the step by step the same as mine?
Yeah, except I don't have my sheets on me because I don't know where my mom put it.
Mm.
But I'm pretty sure I wrote a lot of the steps.
懂了吗？
Don't know.
嗯哼，好了，好了，那我们来看下面一个 number 4. But the step is very important, okay? A square. 那个 Zoe，你帮我说一下，说这些题目我们上课的时候做过了吗？都
你有的做了，很多数都没做。
啊？对啊，很多都做了，对吧
当然，我们姐就这次做了2个3个。
？Okay, a square gym floor is made up for percute square that is 900 centimeters square. If the floor of the gym has 225 percute square, what is the area of the gym in the meters?
嗯
好了，看一下这道题目做的对不对？我要去叫一下啊。
I do not know what parquet means.
嗯
OK，我们来看一下这道题目为什么有点不一样。一个是
嗯哼
meters，一个是 centimeters，对不对
嗯哼
？OK，那是不是要改一改啊？
嗯哼
就是所以是乘法还是除法呀，阿米莉亚
Not really sure.
？Zoe，how to do it？
应该是 meter to centimeter 除法，centimeter no wait meter to centimeter 乘法，centimeter to meter 除法。
对，那一共他说什么？他说这个 square that are 900 centimeters square，对不对？这个一块是不是就是900，对吧？然后这
嗯
个一共用22500个拼起来，那这个是对的，对不对？This one's right.
嗯哼
This one's no problem, right? Okay, so Amelia, your problem is you didn't put the units on the answer. So this one should be centimeter square or meter square. Should be centimeter square, 对不对? Okay, so now let me ask you, okay? I know 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. No problem, Amelia, okay? Amelia, you need to turn off the thing because I cannot see you properly.
嗯哼
Okay, so 9 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. How about 1 meter square equals how many centimeter square? This one, please send it to me by chat. 发给我了吗？嗯，好，发给我。OK，Zoe 和Amelia 都不对啊。OK, so how do we calculate 1 meter square? 1 square meter. 1 square meter. Sorry. 1 square meter equals 1 meter times 1 meter. Correct, Zoe and Amelia? Okay, so 1 meter equals 100 centimeter, and 1 meter also equals 100 centimeter. So it comes together should equals what? 10,000 centimeter square. Get it? So when we calculate it, this one we need to divide it by what? 10,000 instead of 100. Clear? Okay, so the answer should be 2025 meters square. Clear? 不懂再问啊。所以和阿米俩明白了吗？ Okay, so the same thing I would like to tell you, okay? So if you have a question like, I give you a little square, it's 1 centimeter, and this floor is using 2,500 pieces of this 1 centimeter 1 centimeter squares. So what is the meter square in this one? So you need to do 1 times 1 times 25,000 2,500 equals 2,500 centimeter square, right? So how to transfer them into the meter square? You need to divide it by 10,000. Get it? Okay, so the other way is if you have a square is made of 1 meters and you want to transfer them into 1 centimeter square thing. So it's times 10,000. Get it, Zoe? Amelia, do you understand? You really understand or no? Okay, number 5. Amelia, could you read the question for me?
If a triangle with equal base and height has an area of 162 centimeters squared, what is the length of its base?
Mm-hmm. 看一下这道题。Okay, if the triangle has an equal base and height has an area, 那怎么做啊？ Base times height divided by 2 equals 162, right? And base equals height, correct? Okay, what is the next one? So base times base divided by 2 equals 162. So base square equals 81. So base equals 9 centimeter. Get it, Amelia? Okay, now I want you and Zoe to redo the number 6. And please ask your parents to take a picture of whatever you've been written down, or you screenshot whatever on how about like that? This area, Zoe, can you just do the thing on my screen? Can you write on my screen? Okay, Amelia, I know you can. So Amelia 坐在这里，把第6题坐在这里，Zoe 把第6题坐在这里。
Wait, but what does dimension mean?
Dimension means the measurement. Amelia 还没做啊，一点都没写。
I think this is what I wrote on my sheet. I'll try making it a little bit neater. I'll just type it. Oh, it's weird. I probably should not make that code.
Wait, is it number
Okay,
6? Because I
Okay.
already wrote it on the paper, right there.
OK，我们来看一下，a rectangular solid with a square base has a height of 4 centimeter。那我让你重新做，肯定是你做错了呀。你要是做对了，我就不让你重新做了呗，艾米莉亚，对不对？那我们看一下它什么意思啊？一个长，Do you understand what is a rectangular solid？
It means it's kind of like a rectangular prism.
So it's
It's kind
something like a
of
box, right? But it's a
A
long
rectangular prism.
It's a yeah. So said the box has a square base. What does it mean? So that means the base of the box is a square. So do we know the measurement of the square? We don't know, but and now I know I can just make it as a, right? But we know the height is 4. Sorry. So the height is 4. Very good. So do you know how do we calculate the rectangular solid?
Rectangle.
Mm-hmm.
For regular rectangle, it's base
It's
times
base times base
height.
height. Right? Or we can say it's b times height. Correct? Okay, so base times height equals 576. Amelia, take a look. 看到了吗？
yeah.
对了，好了，那 height 我们知道是什么？ Is it 4?
Yes.
So b squared equals 576 divided by 4, correct? So base squared equals what? 144. So that's why base equals what? Base equals 12. Get it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So what is the dimension? So the base equals 12. That is your answer. Height equals 4. So that is a dimension. Zoe, good job. The only thing, Zoe, you can do better is put the unit on your answer. Get it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so for this question, let me ask you, what is the surface area of this box? Okay, Amelia, I don't know if I think I teach you how to do the surface area before. And I will just to quickly remind this one, okay? So how many surface are there for this rectangular box?
6.
Very good. Okay, so I want you to calculate each of the sides and tell me what is the surface area for this one. And you try to do it yourself.
Surface area.
Can we do it on the screen?
No, you don't have to. You just do it on your paper.
Number 7, right?
Yeah, no, number 6.
Again?
Oh, number
Number 6.
6.
Do the
surface
surface
area?
area. Do the surface area, Zoe.
Oh, oh.
Okay.
Mm. ？Should we send you the answer when we're done?
Yeah. 告诉我一下你发了啊。
Okay.
Wait, what does volume mean?
啊
I'm done.
What does volume mean?
I'm not asking you the volume, Amelia. Listen to the
Oh,
class. I'm asking you to calculate number 6,
Surface
the surface area.
okay.
Mhm. 为什么？放着。做完了吗？
Yeah,
Yeah, I sent it to you.
me
对
too.
你 send it to me 的时候跟我说一声，因为我看不见。
我帮你说了。
哦哦好。
我刚刚说，
因为我退出来，然后才能看得到。Zoe 和 Amelia 两个人做的不一样啊。那我们来看一下，做的不一样就要讲一讲，对不对？Okay, so now I'm going to draw the picture first for you. So we have a thing like, it doesn't has to be perfectly right. Is it something like that? This is 4. 哎，我不要用红色，这红色太烦。So this is 4, this is 12, this is 12. Correct? We just calculated before. Okay,
Mhm.
so how many faces are there? And Amelia has told me there's a 6 sides, okay?
Yeah.
So let me ask you, the top and the bottom, are they the same or not the same?
Yes.
They're the
They're the
same, right?
same.
So it's 12 times 12 for the base. So I just did times 2, correct? And so from the front and the back, are they the same or not the same?
Yes.
It's still the same, right? So it's 12 times 4 times 2, right? And last one is a
Mhm.
left and right. Are they the same or not the same?
No.
Yes.
Right? So it's still 12 times 4 times 2. So all I need to do is just to calculate the base, the top, the base, and the front, and the left side. So it's 12 times 12 plus 12 times 4 plus 12 times 4 and times 2. So the answer is, so we also have the 12 on the common. So 12 times 12 plus 4 plus 4 times 2. So the answer is 12 times 20 times 2. So the answer is 12 times 40. So the answer is 480 centimeter square. Let me see who get it right. Hmm? Zoe get it right. And Amelia, your answer, if you give me 288 centimeter, is it right or not? I ask you the surface area. So when is the surface area? It must be what?
Centimeter squared.
Very good. Get it? Okay, so let's take a look at number 7. The volume of a cone is given by the formula. How do we do it? The volume equals 1 over 3 times pi times r times height. If the cone has a height of 6 and the volume 400, so very easy, Amelia. 450 equals 1 over 3 times pi times radius square times 6. Okay, that's a step 1. Correct?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so Amelia and Zoe, how do we do this one? 1 over 3 times 6 equals 2. So it's 2 times pi. Sorry, this is 405 pi. 这边少了个 pi 啊 r squared equals 450 pi. Correct? So pi and pi, we can divide it by both sides. So it's 225, 450 divided by 2, right? Equals r squared. So r equals what? 15 centimeter. 很简单，对不对，Amelia？一模一样的做下来，OK？ So number 8, number 8, Amelia 坐在这里，Zoe 坐在这里。我希望看到的是 step by step 非常清楚的。Number 8，
What's
你自己喝去。
It's just wait.
Amelia 你在干什么？所以你不要写了，等下 Amelia 看你写。
I wrote like earlier, but then I erased it because I wanted to type instead because it was easier.
OK OK。
Whatever, I'm just gonna cover this part of my computer then.
Oh, I didn't notice I have another thing there. Oops. Let's see.
Mhm. 13. Wait, what? 13. Now I'm gonna make it back.
Okay, so I like Zoe's better. Amelia, please take a look at Zoe's, okay? So I want you to have this one first. Get it? This is something the question telling me. The surface area of the sphere is given by the formula. The formula is S equals 4 pi r squared. If the sphere has every single step, you just follow whatever the question tell you. If a sphere has a surface area of 676 pi, so 676 pi, 所以你跟这里跟老师一样少了一个 pi， 对不对？ Okay, 676 pi equals 4 pi r squared. Get it? Amelia?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so the next one should be 676 equals 4r squared because we divided by pi for the left side and right side. And next one is r squared equals 606 divided by 4. So that's why this one is r squared equals 169. So r equals 13 millimeter. Zoe, I want you to see the answer with the units.
Okay.
Okay, Amelia 对的, but I want to see something like that. So if you combine Amelia and Zoe's together, that would be the perfect answer. Understand?
Okay. Understand.
明白了吗?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so now let's take a look at this. Hmm? I'm going to stop sharing. I'm sharing the second one, okay? Okay, so let's take a look at this one. A prism has a width of 5 and the volume of 90. If the volume of this one equals half times length times width times height, what is its height?
I send it to you.
No, do it on the page.
Do it all on the page?
Number 9. Just number 9 on the screen.
Oh, on the screen.
Yeah, on the
Wait,
screen.
Okay.
do we
I'm
do it
gonna-
at the same place then?
No, this one is Amelia's. This one is
Yes.
Zoe.
Okay.
No, this area, okay? This is Amelia's area. This is Zoe's
Okay.
area. We do number 9, okay?
Is there a divide sign on the computer?
Mhm.
Divide. So we're doing number 9, right?
Oh, I'm on the wrong question.
You said 169, so
Oh, okay.
9. Done.
很简单，对不对？Okay, again, Amelia，老师让你怎么做的？The volume equals half 都不对啊！啊，对对，那个叫什么？这个 Zoe 对的啊！我要看到的是这样的过程，我说了很多遍了。90 equals half times length times width times height. So 180 equals what?
180 equals,
Because we know the width is 5, right?
yeah,
So, and we know the length is equals to width. So it's 5 times height. Did you see this one? Right? So 180 divided by 25 equals what? Equals 6? Huh? No. 180 divided by 25.
180 divided by 25.
Huh?
不快啊
Sorry, I cannot see this properly. 90 equals half times length times width times height. Correct? So 180 equals length is 5, width is also 5 times height. 对的呀。嗯 So this one is, okay, it's not a whole number, right? It's not a whole number. So it's 180 divided by 25 equals height. So height equals 1180除以5 36除以5 So 36 divided by 5 7.2. Get it, Amelia? Do you understand? I want to see this process. Do you understand me, Amelia? Okay, Zoe 好的啊。Okay, centimeter. Don't forget. 明白了吗? I want to see all the process. Okay, so number 10. Again, Amelia, you're here, and Zoe, you're here on the screen.
For number 10?
Yeah.
Oh, oops. I what I was gonna type. Let's see if we could let's see.
Amelia 要一步一步写哦。
Yeah, I just covered this my screen.
You're fine.
告诉我们做完了没？OK。
我用完了。
Let me see。那两个人题目还做的不一样呢。你看，一个28，一个26啊，又不一样了。OK。
我
Okay,
一
so
个
let's see. How do we do this one? The base of the triangle is twice of the height. 我们看到这句话应该写成什么？The base equals to height. Right? When
Oh,
we see this sentence, you should have this one, right? If the area is 169, so let me just remind all of you how to calculate. Very good. Okay, 这个 Amelia 做的比 Zoe 好. This one, the first one, step one. Step two, how do we calculate the area? The area of a triangle should be what? Base times height divided by 2 equals 169. Correct? Zoe and Amelia?
嗯哼。
Okay, number 3. Because base equals 2 height, so it's 2 height times height divided by 2 equals 169. Correct? So 2 height and divided by 2 is gone. So it's height squared equals 169.
Oh, I
So height equals
want
13 centimeters. So what is the length of the base? Because the base equals 2
it's
height
too hard.
equals 2 times 13 equals 26 centimeters. So you get the answer right, but the process, I don't see how you do one step by step. 然后呢，Amelia 呢，16 square feet root 这边也不对了，这个最好，这个后面都不对了。Okay, so now I'm going to clear everything. Number 10, redo this question for me on the screen. So this is Amelia, this is Zoe. Okay, so redo the question. I want to see this step by step.
a big time. Wait, I gotta move this over here. So base equals H. Wait, I need to create another text box. So, wait, and turn this back. Wait.
Sorry that I'm going to your English base.
I'm not going through my area, and I don't mind since I'm typing. Is the unit centimeters? Yeah, it is.
哎，你做完这里就没有啦，下面哦，你就直接写。这一步到这一步啊，这步到这步，那这边为什么变成 square root of 160？这步不对，这步不对，这步到这步怎么来的？You need to put the b equals. No, it's two height. You need to put the two height there's. Two height times height divided by 2 equals 116.
Oh, okay, so I'm gonna get the textbooks and do it. Do this. So it's basically nice to taste. Nice. Just two.
Okay, very good.
Wait, I'm still doing it.
嗯，所以可以啊。
嗯哼，怎么做完了？
嗯哼，
Wait, not. Two, one. Uh, wait. Um, wait. Hmm. Wait, I don't get it.
嗯，什么地方又不会了？Which
Like
part?
the part where it said like oh, 2h times h divided by 2 equals 169. So
Yeah.
169
So 6 squared
times
equals 169. So it's 2 times h divided by 2. So 2 times and divided by 2. 2 divided by 2 equals nothing.
oh,
Get it?
yeah. Okay, so now
Get it?
yeah.
OK，会自己慢慢做啊。OK， so now let's take a look at number 13, number 14, and number 15 and 16. 好吧 OK, again, the most important thing is follow the sentence. OK, a rectangle has an area 9 times as the area of a square. OK, we can say the rectangle equals 9 square. Get it, Zoe? Okay, so this is the first one you need to write it down. One side of the rectangle is the same length of the square. OK，这道题目有点麻烦，那我们就要先把它画出来。OK, because of the square only have one side. So if it was this is A, this is A, this is also A. Correct? Okay, so what is the area of the rectangle? So I don't know which one is this. We just to put a B here. So A times B is the rectangle's area, right?
Yeah.
And the area of the square is A times A, correct? So that means A times B equals 9 times A times A. Did you get this one? Right? We have no problem for this one, right? Amelia? Do you have problem understand this one? Yes?
No.
No? So the rectangle equals A times B. Do you understand?
Yes.
You understand this part, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So the S equals A times A. Do you understand this part?
Well, the square equals A times A. Yes, I understand.
You understand this part, right? So if you understand this part, so can we replace R with A times B? Can we replace S equals A times A?
Yes.
So is it A times B equals 9 times A times A?
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
Okay, so if that's the case, can we divide it by A for both left side and right side?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have the B equals 9A. Did you have this one?
Yeah.
那不会就问啊，不能说装会啊。对啊
I just stared at it for a little bit and then I figured it out.
Do you understand this part?
Yes.
Okay, so now if find the dimension of the rectangle if the total volume of the square and the rectangle is 250. Okay, so total volume is, so that means R plus S equals 250 millimeter square. Do you understand this part? 他说的 total 这个 area 这个方块和这个长方形加起来一共是250，对不对？ So
Yeah.
we know the rectangle is what? Is 9 square. So 10 square equals 250. So square equals 25. A square equals what? Equals A times A, right? So that means A times A equals 25. So A equals what? Equals 5 millimeter. So if we know the A, do we know the B? So B equals 9 times 5 equals 45 millimeter. So what is the dimension? The rectangle equals 45 times 5. So this is rectangles. And what is dimension of the square? 5 times 5. Okay, I give you some time, think about it, and you can ask me which part you're not very clear. Okay, 给你们一点时间啊。
Rectangle 9 times.
我们给你刷子吧。Should we send it to you?
No, you don't have to send it to me.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, I get it.
Okay, so you understood? Okay, so if you understand this one very well, so we're going to go to the number 14. So this is Zoe's area, this is Amelia's area. So I want to see how you just do step by step, do this one.
Oh, this one. I thought we did this one
Yeah,
during
yeah, but I
class.
want you to see the process of it, how you're doing.
Okay. Mm,
Wait, first I need to annotate.
mm,
And then I can.
mm,
Oh,
mm.
so. Ah, so 1, 2. And Zoe, don't go over to my side.
Mm, I got it.
1, 3, 1. 1 squared. 1 is 20. 400 squared. 1 12 W
老师，我做完了。
OK，好的，再给阿米莉亚一点点时间啊。
OK，
20 yeah. I need so no. What did I just do? I literally just accidentally erased all my work.
什么东西啊？
Oh, okay.
你就弄回来就行了。
All right. W equal
这个方法大家都写了，E equals square root of W times R, right? So where what is watts and other resistance of how many watts are needed to produce an impulse of 2? Okay, so it's 20 equals这样子啊。首先我们要把这个东西写下来。OK, equals. Do we know the watts? We don't know, but we know the resistance. Yes. This is the step one. 看到没有 ？Okay, this is step one. So step two is 20 times 20 equals F times W. So 400 equals 5W, so W equals 80. Okay, so what is what is unit? What? Good job. 这里看到了啊，对不对？Amelia 要把那个写上来。Get it?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's take a look at number 15. Last question.
Are we writing on the board?
Number 15. So this is
do we have to send number 15 to
this
you?
yeah, this is
Or do we write it here?
pardon me?
Do we send it to you? Oh,
No,
never mind.
yeah, on your side.
I have to put this up.
Oh,
This
number.
is a relationship. Is
Is it 20?
Is there square roots on the keyboard?
你一步一步先写下来。一步一步一定要写下来。你看，Zoe 已经很好了，OK，对不对？这个东西等于 square root p divided by r。Right? Do we know that r equals 5 and the current amplifier is 10? And what is the power of the roots? So we calculate this one, right? So it is 10 equals p over 5. So 100 equals p over 5. So, sorry. So 500 equals p. And don't forget the watts. Understand, Zoe?
嗯哼，
OK，好，这个题目我们要求啊，大家就是按照老师的要求，每一步要这样子一步一步写出来的。Understand, Amelia？如果没有一步一步不行的，好吧
Okay.
？Okay, so that's it for today's class. I will send you some new homeworks, and for Zoe, I want you to practice more calculations, and
嗯
for
哼
Amelia, I want to see your step by step，好吧？每一个作业都要给我看到步骤，好吗
All right.
嗯哼，
？Okay, so that's it for today's class. Okay, bye bye.
对，
Bye.
谢谢
拜
你。
拜。